Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video, we are doing a tutorial on this look right here. So if you're curious to see how we achieve this look, keep watching. Starting off, to prime my eyes, I'm using Moira's Waterproof Peptide Eyeshadow Primer. I'm going to start off with Rude Cosmetics, the Roaring 20s Neons palette. I'm going to apply using a fluffy brush like this, and I'm just going to grab Bare from this palette. Using Morphe's Petal Passion palette, I will be applying Love and Lust from this palette with another eyeshadow brush. Going back with this palette with a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to be applying Liberating and just go on my inner corner. Grabbing ColourPop's New Moon palette using a flat eyeliner brush, I'll be applying Your Everything from this palette to tightline. For lashes, I'm using Kiss's lash brand, their lash clusters, and I'm just gonna go in and apply some lashes. Now that the lashes are on, I'm going to apply some mascara using the Tower 28 mascara. I think this is the shade Jet. I'm gonna be real honest, and I don't know if I'm a fan of the lashes right now, but I'm going to leave them alone. In the meantime, I'm going in with my face. I'm going to prime it with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Dewdrops. For foundation, I'm using the Estee Lauder foundation. This is the shade Cool Bone 1C1. For concealer, I'm using the CoverGirl's concealer, and this one is the shade Light Ivory. To set my face, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Loose Setting Powder. This one is the pinkish one, so... well, it's the shade 10 Pink Light, so like the pinker shade. For bronzer, I'm using the LYS No Limits Matte Bronzer. This one's in the shade Harmony Medium. For blush, I'm using the Milani blush in the shade Luminoso. For highlighter, I'm using Rare Beauty's highlighter in the shade Enlighten. Going back with the first eyeshadow palette I used, we're going to finish up the eyes, so I will be applying Bare from this palette with an eyeshadow brush that looks like this. I went ahead off camera with the brows using the Benefit Brow Pencil, and this one's the shade number 4. Now finishing up with lips. For lip liner, I'm using the Maybelline Lifter Liner, and this one's in the shade Big Lift. For lipstick, I applied the L'Oreal Color Riche lipstick in the shade Worth It 601. To set my face, I'm applying the Makeup by Mario setting spray. We are completely finished and at the end of the video with the final look. This is what it looks like. I am not too much of a fan of the lashes, but I'm just gonna work with them and pretend that they are great. They just, I don't know, I guess when I applied them, since they're clusters, some areas look more lifted than others, so I think it's just me, the way I applied them, but it works out. I'll make it work. But on another note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching till the end, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Bye. That was terrible. I was like, bye. Sorry, but anyways, bye.